Welcome to Inside News. This is Jyoti. Let's dive into the details. In 2025, Hyderabad witnessed a decisive administrative push as Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy instructed officials to roll out a city-wide cleanup and pollution control initiative. The directive aimed at addressing mounting environmental concerns, improving urban hygiene and ensuring sustainable living conditions for residents. The campaign focused on waste management, air quality monitoring and stricter enforcement of pollution norms across industries and public spaces. Authorities were tasked with coordinating civic bodies, environmental agencies and local communities to achieve measurable outcomes. This move was seen as part of a broader vision to enhance Hyderabad's livability, safeguard public health and set an example of proactive governance in tackling urban environmental challenges. In Bankura, West Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee delivered a sharp critique of her political opponents, drawing on epic references to describe their conduct during election season. She remarked that figures akin to Duryodhan and Dushashan appear in Bengal whenever polls approach, suggesting that BJP leaders descend on the state only during campaigns. Her statement underscored the intensity of Bengal's political climate, where symbolism and cultural references are often used to frame rival parties' actions. Banerjee's comments were seen as part of her broader narrative of resistance against external political influence, reinforcing her position as a defender of Bengal's identity and autonomy while energizing her party supporters ahead of the electoral battle.
একজন দুঃশাসন এসছেন বাংলায়। ভোট আসলে দুর্যোধন আর দুঃশাসনরা আসেন, ওদের চোখে দেখবেন, দু চোখে দেখলেই আতঙ্ক হবে, এই বুঝি কিছু ক্ষতি করতে এলো রে, এলো রে, এলো রে, এলো রে, গেল রে, গেল রে, গেল রে। দুঃশাসন বাবু এসছেন, শকুনি মামার চেলা চামুন্ডারা ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে আর বলে বেড়াচ্ছে বাংলায় নাকি 1.5 কোটি লোকের নাম বাদ যাবে। কেন? যারা সারা জীবন বাংলায় থেকেছে, বাংলায় তারা ভোটার। আজকে বলছেন মমতা ব্যানার্জি জমি দেয়নি। মমতা ব্যানার্জি জমি না দিলে এই তারকেশ্বর বিষ্ণুপুর লাইন কে করে গেছে? মমতা ব্যানার্জি করে গেছে, আপনি নন। জিজ্ঞেস করুন দুঃশাসন কমরেডদের, ওরা জমি কে দিয়েছে? চ্যাংরাবান্ধ মালবাজারে জমি কে দিয়েছে? অন্ডাল এয়ারপোর্টের জমি কে দিয়েছে? পানাগড়ের জমি কে দিয়েছে? বড় বড় কথা, মিথ্যে কথা। বাংলায় শুধু অনুপ্রবেশকারী, কাশ্মীরে নাকি নেই। তাই যদি সত্যি হয় বন্ধু, একটা কথার উত্তর চাই, পহেলগাঁও তাহলে কি আপনারা করলেন? দিল্লিতে কিছুদিন আগে যে ঘটনা ঘটে গেল, অনুপ্রবেশকারী বাংলা ছাড়া কোথাও নেই, তাহলে কি আপনারা করলেন? যত দোষ বাংলা, এই রাজনৈতিক হ্যাংলা, রাজনৈতিক হ্যাংলার দল। আগের বার এসে বলেছিল ইসবার 200 পার হয়ে গেছে, পগার পার। আর এবার করছে এসআইআর। এত মানুষের মৃত্যু, এখনো পর্যন্ত 58 থেকে 60 জন মানুষ মারা গেছে। গতকালও পুরুলিয়ায় একজন বৃদ্ধ মানুষ, তাকে ডেকে পাঠানো হয়েছে। বাবার বয়সী মানুষদের শ্রদ্ধা করতে জানো না? জীবনে বাবা মাকে সম্মান জানাওনি, তো বয়োজ্যেষ্ঠদের সম্মান জানাবে কি? আজকে 60 বছরের লোককে ডেকে পাঠাচ্ছ, 70 বছরের লোককে ডেকে পাঠাচ্ছ, 75 বছরের লোককে ডেকে পাঠাচ্ছ, 80 বছরের লোককে ডেকে পাঠাচ্ছ, 96 বছরের লোককে ডেকে পাঠাচ্ছ। লজ্জা করে না? একজন দুঃশাসন এসছেন বাংলায়। ভোট আসলে দুর্যোধন আর দুঃশাসনরা আসেন, ওদের চোখে দেখবেন, দু চোখে দেখলেই আতঙ্ক হবে, এই বুঝি কিছু ক্ষতি করতে এলো রে, এলো রে, এলো রে, এলো রে, গেল রে, গেল রে, গেল রে। দুঃশাসন বাবু এসছেন, শকুনি মামার চেলা চামুন্ডারা ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে আর বলে বেড়াচ্ছে বাংলায় নাকি 1.5 কোটি লোকের নাম বাদ যাবে। কেন? যারা সারা জীবন বাংলায় থেকেছে, বাংলায় তারা ভোটার। আজকে বলছেন মমতা ব্যানার্জি জমি দেয়নি। মমতা ব্যানার্জি জমি না দিলে এই তারকেশ্বর বিষ্ণুপুর লাইন কে করে গেছে? মমতা ব্যানার্জি করে গেছে, আপনি নন। জিজ্ঞেস করুন দুঃশাসন কমরেডদের, ওরা এখন কমরেড হয়ে গেছে। কমরেড না বোমরেড আমি জানি না, মানেটা আমার জানা নেই।
In Bengaluru, Union Minister Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu celebrated the successful flight of the Dhruv NG, describing it as one of the most anticipated and historic moments in Indian aviation. He emphasized that the achievement marked a significant milestone showcasing India's technological progress and aerospace capabilities. The minister extended heartfelt congratulations to all contributors, highlighting not just senior officials but also technicians, engineers and uniformed personnel whose dedication made the success possible. His remarks underscore the collective effort behind the project and the importance of recognizing every individual's role in advancing national aviation. The event was seen as a proud chapter in India's journey toward innovation, resilience and global competitiveness in aerospace development.
In fact, when they were introducing me, they were saying this is the most anticipated moment of me speaking, but let me clarify again. the most anticipated moment for today in this event was us seeing that Dhruv NG flying in the skies. That was the most anticipated moment. And for it to be successfully done, I think marks a very, very important milestone in the Indian aviation history. And I would like to congratulate each and every team member, not only the people who are sitting on the dais or the people in suits in front of me, everyone in their uniforms, right up to the technician level, each and everyone deserves a warm round of applause on this great and historic occasion. I have to share the fact that I have had a baby recently, 4-month-old baby I have. And when I had the baby, it was a very emotional moment for all of us in the family. Not only as parents, me and my wife, but also the grandparents, the cousins, all the members that are involved in the family. Just like how I felt that emotion during the delivery of our baby, I can see the same kind of emotion today when we are seeing the first flight of Dhruv NG, when I look at all the smiles of all the people who are involved in this project. Right from the time I've landed here, I've gone through the event, we have seen the helicopter take off in the skies. I've seen a certain kind of emotion in each and every one of you that only comes when you think that we have delivered a new baby today, which is going to make each and every one of us proud. And that is the kind of emotion that I'm seeing today. And I also to share the fact that HAL Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is supposed to be a bicycle riding on 2 wheels. One wheel is the defense, one wheel is the civil aviation. But you have to also realize that the bicycle design has gone through various changes.
In Ranchi, Jharkhand, Chief Minister Hemant Soren marked a significant moment by addressing a public gathering at Morbadi after distributing appointment letters to candidates selected through the JSSC Combined Graduate Level Examination. The event symbolized the government's commitment to expanding employment opportunities and empowering the youth of the state. Soren highlighted the importance of merit-based recruitment and assured continued efforts to strengthen transparency in the selection process. He emphasized that such initiatives not only provide livelihoods but also contribute to the overall development of Jharkhand. The distribution drive was seen as part of a broader vision to encourage young talent, enhance administrative efficiency and reinforce public trust in governance.
मुझे बिल्कुल ये आभास हो रहा है आप लोग कितने खुश हैं, आपके परिवारजन कितने खुश हैं और जो आपकी इंतजार थी वो इंतजार की घड़ी अब समाप्त हो चुकी है। और इस परीक्षा को लेकर क्या-क्या चीजों को सामना करना पड़ा वो आप सब लोगों को पता है। लेकिन मैंने पहले भी कहा था ना, नेक इरादा हो तो कोई भी मंजिल पाई जा सकती है और सदैव हमने हमेशा इसका पक्ष रखा कि सरकार के माध्यम से कोई गलत हो
In Patna, Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha strongly endorsed Union Home Minister Amit Shah's recent remarks on West Bengal. Addressing the issue, Sinha alleged that the Trinamool Congress government's approach was undermining Bengali culture and Indian civilization through appeasement politics. He suggested that Bengal, historically known for its rich traditions, was now being portrayed in a manner that intimidated the children of Mother India. According to him, the current state government's working style was not reflective of Bengal's past and instead embezzled citizens across the nation. His comments added to the ongoing political debate, intensifying scrutiny of governance in West Bengal and reinforcing the BJP's narrative of cultural and national integrity.
देखिए, निश्चित तौर पर बंगाल कहीं न कहीं पूरे माँ भारती के संतानों को डरा रहा है। जिस तरह से वो तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति में बंगाल के संस्कृति और भारतीय सभ्यता पर प्रश्न चिन्ह उठा रहे हैं और जिस तरह से वो वातावरण को दूषित कर रहे हैं, माननीय गृह मंत्री जी का जो कथन है वो सत्य है। बंगाल का ये स्वभाव नहीं रहा है। बंगाल भारत के गौरव गाथा में अहम भूमिका निभाने वाले लोग रहे हैं। हर बंगाली का भाव राष्ट्रीयता से ओतप्रोत रहा, लेकिन वर्तमान सरकार का जो स्वरूप है, जो कार्य पद्धति है, कहीं न कहीं हर भारतीय को लज्जित कर रहा।
अमित शाह ने असम को लेकर के कहा है कि एक बार बीजेपी की सरकार बन जाएगी तो फिर कोई भी घुसपैठिए प्रवेश नहीं कर पाएंगे असम में।
निश्चित तौर पर असम के अंदर जो परिवर्तन हुआ है, जिस तरह से घुसपैठिए पर रोक लगा और जिस तरह से वहाँ पूरी तरह से भारतीयता के भाव का, उग्रवाद को खत्म करने का वातावरण बना है, तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार और उसको मजबूती प्रदान करेगा।
A tragic accident occurred in Uttarakhnd's Almora district when a passenger bus plunged into a gorge near Shilpani. Police confirmed that 7 passengers lost their lives, while 11 others remain in critical condition. Rescue operations are ongoing, but officials noted that the muddy terrain and the gorge difficult location have made efforts extremely challenging. The vehicle got stuck in slush, complicating the process of pulling out trapped passengers with the help of locals. The injured are being shifted to nearby hospitals for urgent treatment. Preliminary investigation revealed that the bus travelling from Dwarahat towards Ramnagar lost control before falling into the gorge. Authorities are continuing relief measures and probing the cause of the accident. In 2025 political exchanges in West Bengal grew sharper as Trinamool Congress National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee criticized the Bharatiya Janata Party's approach to the state. He suggested that BJP leaders appear in Bengal only during election periods, likening their presence to that of migratory birds. His remarks also included concerns that ordinary citizens were facing harassment under initiatives referred to as SIR. The statement added fuel to ongoing debates between rival parties for the media and public forums, amplifying the controversy. While the Election Commission continued to emphasize the integrity of the electoral process, the episode highlighted the intensity of Bengal's political climate, where symbolism and rhetoric play a major role in shaping perceptions and voter sentiment.
আর মতুয়াদের যেভাবে ওই নাগরিকত্ব দেখিয়ে আপনারা গাজর দেখিয়েছেন, মতুয়াদের প্রতিনিধি ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির লোকসভার সাংসদ এবং বিধায়করা বলছে যদি মতুয়ার নাম বাদ যাবে। এ আবার তৃণমূল বলছে না, বিজেপির লোকেরাই বলছে। দুর্নীতি বন্ধ করার কথা বলছে, আর সবথেকে বড় দুর্নীতিবাজটাকে পাশে বসিয়ে প্রেস কনফারেন্স করছে, যাকে টিভির পর্দায় টাকা নিতে দেখা গেছে। এই হচ্ছে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির রাজনীতি। যারা বাংলাকে অপমানিত করেছে, উনি গুয়াহাটি থেকে বাংলায় এসেছে কালকে ফ্লাইটে। আসামের মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর নাম হচ্ছে হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শর্মা। তিনি 2 মাস আগে বলেছেন যদি কেউ বাংলায় কথা বলে তাকে ধরে ডিটেনশন ক্যাম্পে নিয়ে যাও, জেলে ঢোকাও। আপনি হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শর্মার বিরুদ্ধে কি ব্যবস্থা নিয়েছেন? বাংলার ইতিহাস জানে না। রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরকে আজকে বলেছে রবীন্দ্রনাথ সান্যাল। রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের জন্মস্থান জানে না। এদের নেতারা মা দুর্গার বংশ পরিচয় নিয়ে প্রশ্ন তোলে, ঈশ্বরচন্দ্র বিদ্যাসাগরের মূর্তি ভাঙে, স্বামী বিবেকানন্দকে বামপন্থী প্রোডাক্ট বলে। তাদেরকেই পাশে বসিয়ে অমিত শাহ প্রেস কনফারেন্স করে বলে সোনার বাংলা তৈরি করব। এই হচ্ছে বিজেপির প্রকৃত স্বরূপ। সুতরাং বিজেপি সম্পর্কে যত কম গলা যায় তত ভালো, গলা বিশ্রাম পাবে। গত নির্বাচনে এরা নির্বাচনের আগে পরিযায়ী পাখির মতো আসে। যখন বাংলার মানুষ 100 দিনের টাকা পায়নি, হা করে চিৎকার করেছে, তখন একদিন এসে মানুষকে রিলিফ দেয়নি। আজকে 2 মাস পর নির্বাচন, তাই হঠাৎ করে বাংলার কথা মনে পড়েছে। পরিযায়ী শ্রমিক, পরিযায়ী পাখির মতো।
Grand celebrations are underway at the Santan Sampada Venkateshwara Swami Temple in Vikramatamala Tirupati. Marking the auspicious Mukkoti festival, devotees in large numbers are flocking to witness Lord Venkateshwara through the sacred Vaikuntha Dwaram. Temple chairman Hari Prasad stated that the Vaikuntha Ekadashi festivities have been conducted with grandeur for the past 13 years. Special arrangements have been made to accommodate the influx of devotees, ensuring smooth darshan and rituals. Pilgrims from Srikalahasti, Tirupati, Putturu and the railway Koduru regions are arriving in Vikrutamala to participate in the celebrations. The temple atmosphere is filled with devotion and spiritual fervor as devotees seek blessings during this sacred occasion, reinforcing the cultural and religious significance of the festival.
ఇవన్నీ కూడా సహకారం కూడా అందించారు. అలాగే గ్రామ ప్రజలు అందరికీ భోజన వసతి కల్పించారు. మనం ఇక్కడ దివ్య పుష్పాలంకరణ చేసి వచ్చిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా కనుల పండుగగా ఆలయంలో, అంటే భగవంతుడు అలంకార ప్రియుడు వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి, ఆయనకు అలంకారం ఉండాలి, లేకపోతే ఒప్పుకోడు. శివుడు అంటే ఆయన కొంచెం నీళ్లు అలా వేసి విభూతితో ఆనందపడిపోతాడు, ఒక 2 బిల్వపత్రాలు ఇస్తే. వెంకటేశ్వర అలా కాదు, నాకు అలంకారం ఉండాలి అంటాడు, నైవేద్యాలు రకరకాలు ఉండాలంటాడు, భజన ఉండాలి నాకు నిత్యం అంటాడు. అటువంటి అన్ని అలంకారం, నైవేద్యం, భజన అన్ని కూడా వికృతమాల్లో సంతాన సంపద వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామికి నిత్యము మేము చేస్తున్నాం. ఆయనకు ప్రతిరోజు సుప్రభాతం, తోమాల అర్చన, ప్రతి ఒక్క స్వామివారి కైంకర్యాలు కూడా తిరుమల విధంగా ఇక్కడ చేస్తున్నాం. స్వామివారి ఆశీస్సులు అందరూ కూడా భక్తులు పొంది ఆనందంగా ఉన్నారు. మీ అందరికీ కూడా, మీడియా మిత్రులను కూడా ప్రత్యేకంగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాం. నిన్న మీరు వచ్చి నా ప్రెస్ మీట్ వల్ల ఇంత ప్రజలకు, ఇంతమందికి ఈ గ్రామం యొక్క, ఈ యొక్క ఆలయం యొక్క విషయం అంతా కూడా మీడియా ద్వారా తెలిసినందుకు, మామూలుగా వచ్చేదానికన్నా ఈసారి 3 జనం వస్తున్నారంటే మీడియా మిత్రుల సహకారం. మేము ఇంత చిన్నగా చేసిన చుట్టూ ఉన్న గ్రామ ప్రజలకి, రాష్ట్రానికి, దేశానికి తెలియజేసేది మీరే కాబట్టి మీరు ఇంతమంది వచ్చినందుకు మీ అందరికీ కూడా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను.
In Agartala, Tripura Chief Minister Manik Saha addressed the tragic Angel Chakma murder case, stressing that financial assistance cannot replace a lost life. He shared that upon receiving the news, he spoke with Uttarakhand CM Pushkar Singh Dhami, who had already announced his support from his government. Following this, the Tripura government also declared ₹5 lakh to assist the Braviar family. Saha's statement highlighted both compassion and solidarity, reflecting the government's effort to provide relief while acknowledging the irreparable nature of the loss.
देखिए, पैसा दे के किसी का जीवन तो फिर लौटा नहीं दे सकते, लेकिन वो जो चकमा है, एंजल चकमा, तो ये जैसे मैंने खबर मिला है तो वहाँ जो धामी जी है, हमारा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर उत्तराखंड, उनसे मैंने बात की। आपको मालूम है, उन्होंने भी बताया जब हमसे बात किया है, तो देखिए उन्होंने भी कल भी हमसे बात किया हमसे, तो उन्होंने इनके तरफ से, उनका सरकार के तरफ से फाइनेंशियली थोड़ा सा डिक्लेयर किया है। हम भी हमारा त्रिपुरा सरकार की तरफ से 5 लाख रुपए का मैंने इनको सहायता के लिए हमने फैमिली जो है उनको देने के लिए हम लोग डिक्लेयर किया। और आज हमारा जो मिनिस्टर है, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर टिंकू राय और खूब संभव सांत्वना चकमा दोनों गए वहाँ, जाके वो दोनों चेक जो धामी जी जो दिए हैं, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर उत्तराखंड, और हमारा जो ये चेक है, दोनों इनका फैमिली को।
In Bengaluru, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar responded to remarks made by Kerala BJP Chief Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Shivakumar clarified that his concern was not about Kerala but about the Kerala government's involvement. He asserted that the Kerala government should not interfere in the matter and accused Chandrasekhar of attempting to politicize the issue. His statement underscored the need to keep governance matters separate from political agendas, while emphasizing that external intervention from Kerala was unwarranted.
CM is doing politics. His election, he is in a time of losing his election. He is trying to do politics. We doesn't want to involve in. I am requesting him. You should be aware of this. This is a local issue. We have to safeguard the interest of the health hazard. We don't want illegal people to occupy in a government property. That is why there is a lot of hue and cry in this one. We don't want to create slums in Bangalore. This is a city with lot of this one. Like I don't want to comment on other cities, but it is our duty to protect the government properties. We are doing it. If anyone have been affected, if they doesn't have houses, we have an opportunity, we have an provision to give them houses. Definitely we'll help all of them.
Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann stated that an FIR has been registered regarding the missing Swarups following requests from Sikh bodies. He emphasized that the Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee SGPC must fully cooperate in the investigation. Mann highlighted the seriousness of the issue, stressing that accountability and transparency are essential to address the concerns raised by the Sikh community. The move reflects the government's commitment to ensuring respect and protection for religious sentiments while pursuing justice in the matter.
खाता संभालना सीगा ब्लैक मनी तो वाइट मनी दे सके ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੀ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਹੋਗੀ ਕੀ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕੋਈ ਵਿਜੀਲੈਂਸ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਹੋਗੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜੇਕਰ ਪੈਸੇ ਦਾ ਹੇਰ-ਫੇਰ ਦੀ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੈ ਕੁਝ ਵਿਜੀਲੈਂਸ ਦੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਖਲਅੰਦਾਜ਼ੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਾਓ
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਲੈਣ ਦੋ ਨਾ ਜੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਐਸਆਈਟੀ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਉਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਅੰਡਰਗਰਾਉਂਡ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋਏ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਣੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਐਫਆਈਆਰ ਚ ਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆਉਣ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਦੱਸ ਦੇਣ ਵੀ ਆ ਜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਅਧਿਕਾਰ ਖੇਤਰ ਚ ਆ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਸਾਡਾ ਅਧਿਕਾਰ ਖੇਤਰ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਕੋਈ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੋਈ ਬਦਲਾਖੋਰੀ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਸਾਡਾ ਕੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੀਆਂ ਭਾਵਨਾਵਾਂ ਮੁਤਾਬਕ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਉਹ ਸਰੂਪ ਹੁਣ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ
In Porvorim, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant chaired a meeting focused on the creation of Goa's third district, which will comprise Darbandora, Kuyappam, Sangviam and Kankona. The proposed aspirational district is envisioned to leverage central schemes and funds, strengthen administrative efficiency and ensure that welfare initiatives effectively reach rural populations. The move aligns with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Antyodaya vision, aimed at uplifting the most marginalized sections of society and promoting balanced regional development across Goa.
आज बुलाया था उनके साथ में डिस्कशंस करने के बाद धारबंदोड़ा, कैपे, सांगेन, कानकोन इस 4 तालुका लेके हम तीसरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट फॉर्म कर रहे हैं अंडर द एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट। ये हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट आ जाएगी तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के डिफरेंट स्कीम्स, डिफरेंट फंड्स टैप करने के लिए भी ये हमें थर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा मायना रखता है और इससे ज़्यादातर हमारी जो ग्रामीण पॉपुलेशन है इन लोगों तक हम पहुँच सकेंगे। माननीय मोदी जी की जो संकल्पना है कि अंत्योदय तत्व तक काम करे तो थर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट फॉर्म होने के बाद हम एक्चुअल में यानी सब
That's the wrap of the Inside News. For more updates, stay tuned to CVR News English.